Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting right away. Back up your iPhone and confirm any subscriptions are paused because the App Store ties them to your current country. Once done, open Settings, tap your name, then Media and Purchases and choose View Account. You'll authenticate with Face ID or password. Make sure you have a payment method and billing address for the new country ready. This prevents blockages when the store requests region-specific billing information. Now change the region. In Account Settings, tap Country/Region and select Change Country or Region, then pick the target country. You'll see terms, read quickly, then accept. Next, enter a billing address that matches the new country and add a payment method that the App Store accepts there. If you don't have one, some countries allow none. However, make sure no subscriptions or balances remain because they'll block the change otherwise. Finish by confirming the country change. The App Store refreshes and you can sign back in and re-download region-specific apps. If something blocks you, check for remaining Apple ID balance, active subscriptions, or family sharing restrictions. Clearing those usually fixes it. If payments fail, make sure the card and billing address match the new country. Alternatively, add a local payment option. If you still can't change, restart the device and retry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.